Hi, my name is Sune Wolf. I'm CTO at SynergyXR. We're really excited to present SynergyXR 1.7. When redoing the UI, we really focused on bringing the things that users tend to use quite often forward to make it easily accessible. So one of the things that we ensured that were very accessible to people were switching between edit and view mode in a space, as well as muting and unmuting microphone. We also simplified the keyboard by hiding away some of the functionality not often used, having clever slide outs for number pads and special characters. We also extended the avatar system in SynergyXR 1.7. We introduced a new system in 1.6 and we expanded on this, now including 6 different avatars of different genders with different hairstyles and clothing. We also enabled users to freely rotate 3D objects around all 3 axes, also duplicating them, creating copies very quickly. And finally, you can lock 3D objects in place just to avoid your colleagues to move them around while you're building spaces in SynergyXR. Currently, we're already working on the next iteration of SynergyXR. We would like to make it more easy for users to get hold of the product and install it on their devices, as well as enabling them to figure out how to use the product on their own from within the app.